Welcome once again. Now, so if you want to blur any object or face in CapCut, if you want to blur any clip or any video at all in CapCut, this is how to do it. So this is the video I'll be blurring now. So you come to this effect here and let it load. So you can see there are many options here. So now to blur this video, this clip here, I'll click on it. So I will drag it above the video I want to blur. So undo and do it. Let me just see it. You can see how it's blur. I had the blur effect to this video. So it's either you do it this way. Let me delete this one now. So it's either you do it this way or you drag this one on top of this clip here. You can see same thing. So you can reduce it a little bit. Let's say just want a little blur effect, not too much. You can reduce it here or you increase it to the place that you want. So I'll not increase it to the fullest. I can just decrease it to, let's say, add like 20%. So let's say I want to just blur the image for a reason or the other. I can literally blur it from here. So that is how easy it is to blur image, clip, or anything at all in CapCut. So just click on this effect icon, this effect menu here, and look for a blur effect. You can search for it here. If you didn't see it, you can search for it and it will definitely show you. And once you see the blurring effect, you can drag it over to where you want to add the effect to. So thank you guys for watching once again. So do not forget to like and comment for more.